spray some perfume for good luck. Oh, it smells so good. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Debbie. I'm going to go over the beauty items that I took with me on my trip to Houston last week, so stay tuned if you want to see what I brought along. So one of the first items that I packed was the Fenty Beauty Foundation. This is the Longwear Soft Matte Foundation. Funny story behind this. I actually received this product by accident because somebody got my order wrong and sent this to me, and then I don't know if it's a law that they can't take something back once you've received it. Makeup wise, I don't know the whole thing, but yeah, I actually received this on accident. And the craziest thing is that when I spray tan, this is my perfect color. Like, it's just crazy to me. Like, out of all the colors they could have sent me, they sent me the one that matches my spray tan perfectly. So I was like, cool. It's $40. I don't have to spend on foundation. But the reason that I took this foundation is because one, I was going to have a spray tan on. And two, it's Longwear matte, and I was scared of the humidity, so this was like a definitely must bring. Okay, so the second product that I took was my Tatcha Balance Pore Perfecting Water Gel, and I love the way that it makes my skin look. So this had to go with me. Okay, the Blotterazzi. This had to come with me because, see, this whole time that I thought I was going to be in Houston, I thought it was going to be super humid. It turned out to be slightly humid, but it wasn't bad at all. But I was terrified, so I was like, okay, I have to take this because I'm going to have to blot my skin. So just press it on my face, take it off, and it absorbs the oil. Okay, so next I took with me, I've been loving this as well. Okay, this is the High Adherence Silicone Primer. This blurs your pores. Okay, next I took with me the L'Oreal True Match. True Match is one of those foundations that for me can work in any climate, humid, dry, hot, cold. Okay, so I was scared that like if we went to the pool or went to the beach, or it got too humid and I got sweaty, that my makeup was going to fade or my makeup was going to run. So I brought this Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. Do you guys remember, I think this was like 2 years ago, there was a meme that went around, and it was like something along the lines of on the first date, take her swimming, and like apparently all the makeup would come off. So I was super scared that I was going to get there and my makeup was going to like come running off of my face or melt off of me. And so I took this with me. That's funny. This stuff is waterproof, by the way. So took that to Houston with me. I took a good old beauty blender. I have not used a beauty blender in like 5 months. No lie, not kidding. I took my Holy Grail Urban Decay blurring brush, optical blurring brush. So I took 2 of these brushes with me. This replaced my beauty blender. I have seriously been using this with like every foundation except for the YSL foundation, but this is all I use now. I took a pair of tweezers. Gotta have tweezers in a travel bag. Okay, so then I took the Hourglass, is this the Veil concealer? I can't remember, but I love this concealer. I love the way that it blends out. Of course, I had to take some eyelash curlers. I took this little Glam Glow map. I took this I took the MAC Prep and Prime. Then I brought some Duo eyelash glue. I brought the Maybelline Rocket. Y'all, my camera battery died. I had to plug it in for a little bit. But I'm back. Okay, so the lashes that I took to Houston were the Eyelure Nicole Guerrero Faux Flawless Lashes. Alright, next essential item that I took to Houston with me, this had to go with me, is I'm a fangirl, Nicole. I'm a fangirl. Okay, I took the Glow Kit with me to Houston. This was the only thing that I used the entire time I was there for eyes and highlight. I took another palette with me, and I'll throw that in there. I feel like it should be an essential item to go with you when you travel. However, I just honestly ended up not using it. Oh, so this is the palette that I was talking about. This went to Houston. I actually ended up not using this. My makeup in Houston was super simple, super subtle. Of course, I did full coverage foundation, but as far as the eyes went, I just used highlight from the Glow Kit. Okay, so these are the brushes that I took with me. So there's another Urban Decay optical blurring brush. I'm telling you guys, I love this brush. Then I took an It Cosmetics Precision eyeshadow brush. I took the Pro Flat Concealer brush from Sephora. This is brush 76. I absolutely love this brush for patting on eyeshadow. It definitely is precise. Then I took the Real Techniques, what's the word I'm looking for? Tapered brush. Real Techniques tapered eyeshadow brush. And then I have my Anastasia brow definer. And then I have my Sigma high cheekbone highlight brush. I absolutely love this brush. So I have the NARS Gold Digger Little Baby Lip Gloss. Always gives you a nice highlight and it's super glossy. I have Turkish Delight from NARS. Then I took the Glam Glow Matte Lip Plumper. I have MAC Honey Lip. Perfect nude for me. Goes everywhere with me. I have some lens cleaners for my my eyeglasses and my sunglasses. I have the Desi and Katie Dose of Colors. This is No Shade. Yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys the beauty items that I took to Houston with me. Houston was a beautiful city. I had so much fun and I can't wait to go back. I feel like Houston might be like my getaway city. Like, it's an hour and 45 minutes away from Denver on the plane. It literally felt like Colorado, except there's no mountains and there's a little bit of humidity. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.